Do you believe you know enough French conjugation to actually start talking French? Let's see what your score is. Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French tutor, so you can discover France the French way. And now is the perfect time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to start talking French even as a beginner. The course La conjugaison du français is now available on FrenchQuest but also on my website cassieparlefrançais.com. You can see it here and in the description, of course. For the occasion, I created a little quiz for you in this video to see if you are a crack in French conjugation or if you need a bit of a reminder. There are 10 questions and you have 5 seconds to answer for each. Keep note of your score and tell me in the comments at the end, ok? Alors t'es prêt? On y va. Nous contents. Est-ce que c'est nous sommes contents? Nous êtes contents? Ou nous avons contents? Nous sommes contents. That one is irregular, it is the verb être, so you actually need really to learn it. Question 2. Ils un vélo. Est-ce que c'est ils avons un vélo? Ils ont un vélo? Ou ils avaient un vélo? Ils ont un vélo. Ils ont un vélo. This one is the verb avoir, so to have. And avait is actually a correct form, but in the imperfect tense. So that would be in the past. But that would be for singular. Il singular, so he. Here it is il with a S, so you know it is plural. In English that would be they. Donc ils ont un vélo. And the other just does not exist. Question 3. Tu au cinéma. Est-ce que c'est tu vas au cinéma? Mais avec un S. Tu vas au cinéma sans le S. Tu allas au cinéma avec le S. Tu vas au cinéma. V-A-S. With tu, there is always, almost always, but that's something we will see another time, always un S. Ok? Donc tu vas au cinéma. Could be alla, because aller, alla, well, I would understand the confusion, but it is an irregular verb. You truly need to learn it. Tu vas au cinéma. Question 4. Vous, vos devoirs. Est-ce que c'est vous faisiez vos devoirs? Vous faites vos devoirs? Ou vous font vos devoirs? Vous faites vos devoirs. I know faisait was tempting, right? Because faire like starts the same way and then you have that EZ that is clearly a mark of well, vous, but no, sorry, vous faites vos devoirs. Question 5. Je de Londres. Est-ce que c'est je revenais de Londres? Je reviens de Londres avec un T. Je reviens de Londres avec un S. Je reviens de Londres. Je reviens. So, I teach a lot in my conjugation course about modal verbs. So, the one you can use to then reproduce the pattern. Because in the third group, there are 3 groups in French conjugation. In the third group, they are all irregulars. So, you would think that you have to learn them all. No, they are modal verbs. Here, the modal one would be venir. Venir, to come. Revient is to come back or to return, depending on the context. Je reviens, V-I-E-N-S. Question 6. Elle, le bus. Est-ce que c'est elle prend le bus, D-S? Est-ce que c'est elle prend le bus, D? Ou elles prennent le bus? Elle prend le bus. Prend avec un D. There is no S. It's not tu. It's not je. Donc, elle prend le bus D. Et prennent, well, that's subjunctive, so that's for another time. How is it going so far? You tell me, right? Okay. Question 7. How would you translate they, feminine, came? Is it elles ont venu? U. Elles sont venues? U. Ou elles sont venues? U-E-S. They came. Elles sont venues. Elles sont venues in the past. Actually, that tense is passé composé. So that's why you have an auxiliary and then what we call the participe passé. And what I call the second part. Auxiliary and the other. Okay? But you need to make it agree in number and gender when the auxiliary is être. Again, I explain everything in my conjugation course and the link is in the description. Question 8. Nos devoirs. Toujours les devoirs. Est-ce que c'est nous finimons nos devoirs? Nous finissez nos devoirs? Ou nous finissons nos devoirs? Nous finissons nos devoirs. Nous finissons nos devoirs. Because finir is part of the second group, it has that very specific is sound when you conjugate it. It's regular actually. And you need that ending ONS. Nous finissons nos devoirs. Question 9. How would you translate she went? She went. Est-ce que c'est elle a allé? Et elle est allée? Et ou elle est allée? Et e. Elle est allée. Elle est allée. Again, the auxiliary is être, so you need to make it agree in number and gender. Elle est allée et e. Et la dernière question, the last one, question 10. How would you translate I'm going to eat? I am going to eat. Is it je suis mangé? Je vais manger? Ou je mangeais aller? I'm going to eat. Je vais manger. Je vais manger. And what is that weird form je vais manger? Like I don't conjugate manger, but I conjugate vais, which is aller. What? Well, it's all in my course, available in French Quest or on my website as a standalone course. So how much did you score? You tell me. If you had between 0 and 3 points, you are a beginner and I'm super proud of you for actually trying this course, for trying to go through everything and answering everything. Well done. If you had between 4 and 6, you have a bit of an understanding, you have the basics, but you need a bit of a refresher and clearly some more practice. No worries, I'm here to help. Between 7 and 9, you're definitely on your way to master French conjugation. But it's not so easy and with all the irregular verbs that can get confusing. Again, I'm here to help. And if you had 10 out of 10, 10 sur 10, you're a true master. You're ready for the next challenge. So what was the result for you? You tell me in the comment. The course La conjugaison du français is now available on French Quest or on my website Cassie Parle Français. You have the link right here or in the description. I really cannot wait to hear what you think about it. And if you like this kind of quizzes and you want another one, I recommend you watch this video next. Donc à dans 2 semaines. Salut!